If you're looking for a proper dinner that is cheap, quick, healthy, and most importantly, delicious, this is the one. So let's get right to it. Efficiency makes cooking fun and manageable. In this recipe, we will be able to do prep, cook, and clean simultaneously. So once the cook is done, we don't have much left to do. We start with boiling water to cook the ramen noodles. In the meantime, we prep our produce and start cooking on a large pan for the chicken and vegetables. Mix the sauce, then add our cooked ramen noodles in, stir up, and we'll be done. During all that time, we will also try to clean when we can. For produce, we have superfood broccoli, lots of garlic and extra fiber from green onions. And don't forget a big shot of vitamin C from lime. Here goes our carb. Ideally, we only cook it until just softened, which takes just about 1 minute to 1.5. Then we drain off the liquid. In the meantime, let's start working on this pan. Medium heat, olive oil and sesame oil. If you ever wonder why healthy olive oil isn't used in Asian cooking in general, because it was not available in the past in Asia, and even today it is still very limited and extremely expensive. Stir occasionally until the garlic is lightly brown, and that should give us enough time to finish with the cutting. For the green onion, I like to dice the white part thicker for adding into the pan later, while the green part will be for garnishing. A well-balanced dinner should always have protein, fat, carb, and vegetables. Since my hands are dirty, it's a good time for some quick cleaning. No worries about the chicken, you just add it to the pan. Unless we're just added prone to get burned quickly, it's typically okay to not stir it right away. Cooking is very forgiving. The sauce is simple: brown sugar, regular soy sauce, ground pepper, and ground ginger. Once the sauce is slightly thickened, add the ramen, 8 tablespoons of sesame oil, mix up, half a lime, the white part of the green onion, then one last mixing. Now you definitely want to taste and adjust seasoning if needed. This part is very important because we all have different tastes, so you want to make it yours. We then garnish with diced green onion, some sesame seeds, and a wedge of lime at the table for extra acidity if you prefer. There we have it, cheap, quick, easy dinner that provides all nutrients we need for a proper dinner and absolutely delicious. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I hope I can earn a thumb up from you. If you have any question, let me know in the comment or just say hi. I always respond, and don't forget to subscribe for more future contents. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.